Mr. Witness, tinanong sa iyo ng counsel for the respondent kung meron kang special training para mag-audit ng confidential funds. Kailangan ba ng special training para mag-audit ng confidential funds?
No, ma'am.
Hindi.
Hindi po.
Okay. At ang basihan mo, sinabi mo, when you answered is, ang basihan mo ay itong joint circular.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, tinanong sa iyo ng counsel kung alam mo na ang Office of the President ang siyang nagbigay ng grant. Tama? At ang sagot mo? Oo.
Can you repeat the question?
You answered on cross on the question of counsel for the respondent if you are aware that the grant was given to the Vice President by the President.
Yes, po.
And you answered yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Pag binigay ba ng Presidente, like in this instance, ang confidential funds, wala nang obligasyon mag-liquidate ang Vice President ng paggamit niya sa confidential funds na yan.
Meron po.
Meron
Po
pa rin
siyang obligation to liquidate.
obligasyon. Pag-grant ba ng Office of the President, exempted na ang Vice President na mag-submit ng
Your
mga
Honor.
dokumento.
Your Honors,
Counsel for respondent.
that is leading.
Redirect, Your Honor, this counsel opened the
Not
door.
covered by cross, even Your Honor. Yung
Your Honor,
exemption.
counsel opened the door. Counsel opened the door to this line of questioning because he said a grant was given by the
Objection,
President.
objection is overruled. Witness may answer if he knows. Kung alam mo, Mr. Wamil, pakisagot po yung tanong ni Attorney Kapunan.
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Ang grant ba ng confidential funds ng isang presidente to a vice president, this president in particular, to the vice president, does it exempt the vice president for accounting for the use of that confidential funds under your joint circular?
No po.
Okay. So kailangan pa rin, sinasabi mo na compliant, mag-comply.
Opo, kailangan
Hindi
pa rin.
lang ang Office of the President. Kung binigyan rin ng grant ang Department Secretary of Education, kailangan rin.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit? Ano ba ang nature ng pondo na yan? Pera ba yan ng Presidente?
Since ang confidential fund po ay public fund, so kailangan pong ma-properly account. So kailangan nilang i-liquidate properly and completely yung kanilang cash advances from the confidential fund.
So ang sinasabi mo, at nasa rationality ng joint circular. Section 1, public funds, public accountability, public officer. Tama?
Opo.
Okay, walang exemption. Hindi exempted si Sara Duterte para mag-account.
Yes, ma'am.
Sinabi rin, counsel for the Vice President also said, the Vice President also said, tinanong ka tungkol sa ano ba yung accrual method of accounting. Pakiulit, ano yung accrual method?
So under the accrual method po, the expenses is recorded upon incurrence and not upon payment po.
Okay. Allowed ba itong accrual method of accounting sa pag-evaluate ng confidential funds?
No, ma'am, kasi kailangan po talagang binayaran yung expenses po.
So hindi pwedeng accrual, parang lista.
Opo, hindi po pwedeng lista.
Hindi pwedeng lista-lista. Kung binayaran, dapat cash out.
Yes, ma'am.
Tama? At
Opo.
kung cash out, dapat may resibo. Tama?
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
So hindi pwede ang accrual. Mr. Witness, tinanong rin sa'yo. Itong utilization of confidential funds. Nakalagay, utilization of confidential funds. Tinanong sa iyo ng counsel, hindi ba dapat confidential rin? Do not divulge information on the use of confidential funds. Tama ba ang interpretation ng counsel for the respondent?
Your Honor, that was not my interpretation. I was merely asking based on the COA circular that he read, Your Honor.
Okay.
Just on that matter.
Noted. Witness may answer.
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Ang tanong, sabi ng council, confidential funds yan. Bawal ang mag-reveal ng confidential information, citing certain provision in the revised penal code, certain guidelines, which you haven't seen. Pag confidential funds ba, lahat ng information na hinihingi sa inyo, kagaya ng sang ginastos, yung milyon-milyon na yan sa medicine. Oy, bawal yan. Confidential yan. Pwede ba yun, Mr. Witness?
Hindi po. Since ang confidential fund po ay public fund, so dapat po ay properly accounted po ito. And since ang involved po ay confidential fund, so it must follow the strict accounting and auditing guidelines po to prevent misuse.
Confidential ba yung, uy, bawal mo sabihin, sang grocery binili.
As an
Yung
answered, Your
pagkain na
Honor.
yan.
As an answered.
Asked and answered.
Food, Your Honor. And
As
all
an
the
answer,
items there. Lahat ng items na sinabi natin. Food, medicine,
As an
transport.
answered, Your Honor, as per rule.
Your Honor, please, I only asked for the medicine. I know I'm itemizing because
Asked and answered previously, Counsel. Counsel for respondent is correct.
Okay.
Kindly move on to the next point.
now, sinabi sa'yo na dapat, since this is accountable, strict, sinabi mo na ang pagka-interpret ng joint circular na yan, nandito sa dapat strict, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Because public funds ito.
Opo.
Pag sinabi bang strict interpretation, and I will quote, strict accounting, the utilization of such funds is generally confidential and classified by nature, which requires not only strong internal controls. Tama?
Yes po.
Nakita ba natin sa mga dokumento na sinubmit ng Presidente, ng Vice President at ng Secretary of DepEd, nakita ba natin yung mga internal controls?
Hindi po.
Bakit?
Kasi
Your
since
Honor,
may mga...
the witness is incompetent to answer because he only based his audit on the documents provided. He has no knowledge on the internal controls of the Department of Education or the Office of Vice President, Your Honor.
Your Honor, internal
The witness
controls.
knows based on his observation of the documents submitted to him only insofar as that is concerned. Mr. Wamel, you may answer.
Since based on the documents po, may mga deficiencies pa rin po na noted. So it can be inferred na hindi strong yung kanilang internal control.
Okay. Ano mga deficiencies na na-notice mo?
Yung kanilang mga documents, some of the documents ay hindi compliant dun sa requirements ng Joint Circular 2015-01.
Acknowledgement receipts na walang
Management
dates?
receipts, yes po, walang date yung iba nakadate ng 2023 even if the period covered ay 2022.
Liquidating documents para sa submitted 2023 para sa period 2022. May internal control ba yan?
Actually, yung nasubmit naman po nila on time yung kanilang liquidation report.
Mga acknowledgement receipts na walang signatures.
Yes, ma'am.
Internal control ba yun?
That should have been prevented by a strong internal control.
Nakalagay rin dito, in this section. Strict auditing rules to prevent mishandling and improper application of the funds. So, sinabi mo na dapat strict ang compliance. Ikaw pa, as a state auditor, meron ka bang discretion sa pag-apply ng rules na to?
Can you repeat the question po?
Okay. You said that the basis for your evaluation are the express provisions of these rules.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you exercise any discretion?
We exercise po professional judgments. Is kailangan po namin i-evaluate if yung documents ay compliant dun sa requirements.
Okay. Professional judgment.
Yes, ma'am.
But is this judgment based on personal opinion?
Hindi po.
Is this judgment based on, ayoko yung mukha nitong officer na to? Bias. Is it based on
Hindi po.
bias?
Hindi po.
What is it based on? Your professional judgment is based on what?
Professional judgment is based on the experience and the applicable laws, rules, and regulations po.
Okay. Council also mentioned 3.9, which is confidential expenses.
I don't think I mentioned that, Your Honor.
Okay, then I will mention it.
Not subject of the
Are you
cross, Your
referring to,
Honor.
are you referring to the JMC Council?
Your Honor, please, accounting, this council asked on how confidential expenses or funds are being accounted for. This is germane to the questions on cross.
No, my question, Council, is what 3.9 are you referring to? 3.9 of what?
3.9 of the joint circular, Your Honor.
Is there one?
It's a confidential expenses, which says it refers to those expenses pertaining related to surveillance activities, etc. Your Honor.
Your
On
Honor,
page 3.
beyond the scope of the cross, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please. He opened the door. He
I
says
did- what door did I
confidential
open?
funds. He says confidential funds do not disclose information.
Your Honor, please, we have to put a limit to at least, apply what is in the rules of court suppletorily, Your Honor.
Subject to the discretion of the court,
Okay.
the redirect and cover matters not covered by the cross. The same is true with your cross counsel later on.
We submit, Your Honor.
It's
Counsel may proceed with her question. Witness may answer.
okay. In confidential expenses 3.9, nakalagay dito, in your evaluation of confidential or liquidation of confidential funds or confidential expenses, nakalagay dito, are intended to support the mandate or operations of the agency, Mr. Witness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nasa mandato ba ng Office ng Vice President ang magkaroon ng confidential funds?
Calls for an opinion, Your Honor, that the witness is not qualified to answer.
It's competent, Your Honor. He knows what are allowed,
Calls for an
what are
opinion.
not allowed.
Objection,
Witness is not-
objection is sustained. Witness is not competent to answer whether or not it is part of the OVP's function, much less a DepEd, to have confidential funds. That he did not see any confidential funds when he was with COA ICFAO does not mean that it is allowed or not allowed. Kindly move on to your next point, Counsel, please.
You also mentioned that you were asked about 4.2, correct? Mr.
Yes, Your
Witness?
I confirm that.
And in 4.2, it says there shall be supported with physical and financial plan, indicating the proposed amount allocated for each program, activity, and project.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ito ba ang sinabi ng council pinakita naman sa iyo yung dokumento. Bakit hindi mo why are you saying that there is no indication of what these projects are, what the disbursements pertain to, and what the confidential expense is based on? Why did you say that there is no?
Dahil hindi po naka-indicate dun sa kanilang physical and financial plan yung specific confidential activities.
Hindi ba pwede ang substantial compliance dyan?
Kasi ang requirement po ng joint circular ay state compliance.
Strict, hindi substantial. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in 4.8.5, okay, council makes mention in his cross that sa Office of the Vice President, ang SDO, Senior Disbursing Officer, Special SDO IC Acosta, tama?
Sa OBP, yes, ma'am.
Okay. At sa DepEd ay ang SDO IC Fajarda, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Tama daw, sabi ng council na tama lang talaga na sila yung payees,
Yes, ma'am.
implying na silang tumanggap,
Yes, ma'am.
implying na ito ba, pag silang tumanggap, sila lang nakakaalam?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Opo. Kasi based on
Bakit?
joint circular, si head of the agency po yung may responsibility to oversee the agency-wide use of the confidential fund and to ensure compliance with the requirements of the joint circular.
Sino ang boss? Sino ang head of agency ng Office of the Vice President?
Si Vice President Sara Duterte po.
Okay. At nakalagay dito sa Senate na provision 4.8.5, nakalagay as among the requirements, approval by the head of agency. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Ito. At nakita naman natin sa mga documents na pinisent natin, lahat may approval ng head of agency si Sara Duterte. Tama?
Yung accomplishment report, yes,
Sa
ma'am.
accomplishment report. Hindi lang sa OVP, sa DepEd.
Yes,
Meron nakalagay, approved, attested, certified, correct? Sino?
Even
Ang
yung
nag-certify.
certification po nung accountable officer on the utilization of the confidential funds of both the OVP and DepEd ay attested po ni Vice President.
So even if council says the SDO is Acosta for the OVP and the SDO for the DepEd is Fajarda, still the head of the agency, who in all the documents we have seen, signed, attested, approved, certified, is Sara Duterte as Vice President and as Secretary of the DepEd, correct?
Based on the documents, yes, ma'am.
On 8.3, tinanong sa'yo, conclusive ba? 8.3, you mentioned prima facie findings. Tinanong sa'yo, is this conclusive?
Hindi po. Yes, prima facie po.
Pero miski na prima facie findings, meron bang presumption? Is there a presumption of innocency? Is there a presumption of guilt? As a matter of fact, expressly says, there is a presumption of misuse and that it is used for personal benefit. Tama?
Based on this provision po, yes, ma'am.
And so far, unless proven otherwise, that presumption still holds. She is presumed to have misused or to have used it for personal benefit, Mr. Witness, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Based on 8.3. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions, Your Honor.